It's pool time. Well, almost. First, we're going to use our brand new Aiper Surfer M1 pool skimmer to clean up. Before we get started, let's make sure our Surfer M1 is charged and ready to clean. Always be in control and in the know by connecting your Surfer M1 to our mobile app. Connecting to both your mobile phone's Bluetooth and home Wi-Fi signals will ensure maximum connectivity with your new pool skimmer. Once connected, we can get to cleaning. The Surfer M1 is your answer to keeping your pool looking great all year round. The Surfer M1 uses an array of advanced sensors that detect and avoid obstacles in your pool, including the walls. Want more cleaning? The Surfer M1 delivers up to 12 hours of remarkable cleaning when given adequate sunlight. Be in control with our manual control option and in the know about your water's temperature, all in the Aiper app. Maintaining and cleaning your Surfer M1 is just as simple as using it. Dump the debris into a wastebasket, rinse your device, and get on to more enjoying your day, not cleaning. It's that simple. The Aiper Surfer M1, a solar-powered clean.